So today we're going to do a pulling test to see what this machine is actually able to pull. This is the Ryobi 40-volt powered lawn tractor that was used in the previous videos. So if you have questions about how it's built, you can look back at one of my earlier videos to see that. And we are going to try to pull a Geo Metro. It's not huge, but compared to this tractor, it certainly is. Geo should weigh about 1,600 pounds empty. So we have the engine not running. There's no one in here. It's in neutral. The brake is off. So let me back up, and Dad's going to take it, and we're going to see what happens. We didn't end up using the mower to pull the dirt pile. It actually would pull the dirt, but it was more trouble to dump it than it was worth. So let's see how this does for pulling on level ground, or actually slightly uphill. Go ahead. Yeah. I'm gonna hop in and we'll have we are going up a hill. I hear tire slip. We are moving. Hilariously, that tiny little motor is pulling a car and me and him. So we have moved from down there to over here using this.